Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to see about regarding 3 input CMOS NOR gate. Okay, 3 input CMOS NOR gate. As the name indicates that, so it is having 3 inputs, right? And CMOS is nothing but it is having both PMOS and then NMOS transistors, right? And we are taking the NOR gate, that is CMOS NOR gate. Here the NOR gate is designed by using the CMOS transistors, okay, that is PMOS and then NMOS transistors. So now we discuss about regarding the 3 input CMOS NOR gate, okay. So here for NOR operation, the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS transistor should be connected in parallel, okay. You just keep it in mind. For NOR operation, the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS transistor should be connected in parallel, right? So here the expression, Boolean expression for NOR gate, y equal to a plus b plus c whole bar, means it is exactly complement of OR operation, exactly inversion of OR operation, that is y equal to a plus b plus c whole bar, means we are taking the 3 input variables here, okay. So y equal to a plus b plus c whole bar. So by using De Morgan's theorem, what the De Morgan's theorem states, a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar, like that. Here I am using De Morgan's theorem, I am writing it as a bar dot b bar dot c bar, okay, a bar dot b bar dot c bar, okay. So all are the complements here, a bar, b bar, c bar, right? So it is nothing like inverter, na? Right? So a bar, b bar, c bar, right? It is inverter gate, na? So for that, so I am taking both PMOS and NMOS transistors, right? PMOS and NMOS transistors. So for that one, so all the PMOS transistors should be connected in series. For NOR operation, all the transistors should be, PMOS transistor should be connected in series, that is A. So all these transistors A, Q1, Q2, Q3, all these are connected in series here, right? And NMOS transistors, so this one is of regarding PMOS transistors, and NMOS transistors should be connected in parallel, okay. So A, B, C, that is Q4, Q5, Q6. Previously we have seen Q1, Q2, Q3. Here we are seeing about regarding Q4, Q5, Q6. So all the NMOS transistors are connected in parallel here, right? So this one is pull down network and this one is of pull up network. So pull up networks, it is having PMOS transistors, those are in series, and pull down network it is having in parallel, okay. Now we are going to connect this pull up network and pull down network. So in this way, so we have to connect pull up network and pull down network. So these are in series, it is in parallel, okay, and the output is taken at this point, okay. Here it is the output. So this entire circuit is for 3 input CMOS NOR gate, okay. So this one is of the truth table. So truth table can be written as, so whenever we apply gate equal to 0, the PMOS transistor will be on, and whenever we apply gate equal to 1, PMOS transistor will be off. Similarly, it is exactly operation for NMOS transistors, okay. By applying these possible conditions for 3 input, it is having the 8 possible inputs, right? By applying these 8 possible conditions, we can get the truth table in this way, right? We have to explain these also, okay, whether the transistors are on or off, right? So Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, all these are transistors, whether it is on or off, you have to explain for that one. So with that, you have to write the output, that is for Y, okay. So in this way we can design the 3 input CMOS NOR gate, okay. So always the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS transistor are connected in parallel, right? So this one is regarding 3 input CMOS NOR gate, okay. This one is truth table, okay students. This one is regarding your 3 input CMOS NOR gate, okay. Thank you all. Thank you.